Hello guys, today I'm making homemade garlic mozzarella cheese bread. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk powder, and 2 cups of warm water. Mix this well and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 cups of flour. And 3 cups of flour. Then cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. To make the garlic butter mixture, melt 5 tablespoons of butter, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and half teaspoon of salt. Cut the dough into pieces. Then flatten each piece into a rectangle. And add the mozzarella cheese. Spread some garlic butter. Cover the cheese. Then slice the ends. And then roll. Egg wash each bread. Then bake in a preheated oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.